Hello, this is Daniel from the team behind the Timetracker app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate the report types from the old timesheet view in the new timesheet. As you might know, we are currently publicly beta testing the new timesheet report, and when it becomes public in September, we are going to retire the old timesheet. So I think it's important that you familiarize yourself with the new timesheet reports and also learn how you can recreate your old reports in the new timesheet. Let's start. Let's start with the old timesheet. I've already run the report for last month, so you see some data here. What I want to show you now is as a reminder that in the old version you could only select these predefined group by settings available. So project, epic, issue, subtask, user, and workload. And you could select up to 4 of them. And you could also, with drag and drop, rearrange the hierarchy between them, and then they would be visible here. Then you would see it on a different period based on your setting, and you could export it to Excel or CSV or share this link, or you could save this setting as a JQL filter, or you could also save and share it inside the app. Now the new timesheet can also add these fields, but some differences are that here, as you can see, the list is way longer, so you can select any of the default fields from your Jira, and also if you have custom fields inside your Jira, you can add any of them. And as you can see, I'm just selecting a few randomly. The limit is not set at 4. And again, the drag and drop reordering works the same way. Now in the old timesheet, the open group by options would stay open for all time. But in the new timesheet, you can collapse and reopen columns as you see it necessary. And then you would see the summary on the right side. The exporting, sharing, saving it to JQL filter, saving inside the app and sharing it inside the app, those options remained. Another difference is that in the old timesheet, you couldn't edit your worklogs from the timesheet. So to change that, you would have to go to the timeline or the calendar view or go into the issues to edit. In the new timesheet, now you can. So let me clear some fields just to make it more visible. Here, as you can see, the color is also changed and this is clickable. And if you open any of your worklogs, you will see the worklogs in a list view. And by going into edit, the familiar worklog editor will pop up. Yes. And you can also create new worklogs for the same period. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, please take a look around our YouTube channel.